Instrument preparation. Turn on the instrument 20 mins before detection to allow sufficient preheating time. Enter the settings page. Select real-time mode and configure other settings as needed. Return to the home page. Click Real-Time Detection. Select Detection Item. Enter the specimen ID. Click Next and double-check the details. Reagent preparation. Pre-equilibrate all components at room temperature for 10 mins before use. Sample preparation. Sample collection. Sample processing. Immerse the tip of the swab into the sample extraction buffer, rotating it 5 times. Break it at the break point after screw up the cap. Invert it 7 to 10 times to mix. Let it stand inverted for at least 3 mins for later use. Loading sample. Add 3 drops of prepared sample to the test assay tube. Wait 30 seconds to 1 min for the lyophilized reagent to dissolve. Invert 5 to 8 times to mix thoroughly. Then gently shake the tube 2 to 3 times to collect all liquid at the bottom. Detection and results. Place the test assay in GD220, well AB, then click Next to begin detection. Results will display on screen in approximately 10 mins. Test reports can be printed automatically, if enabled, or manually by selecting Print Results.